the future of AAVE finance. Today we're going to be talking about what AAVE is, also some of the updates and different things that are happening on the platform, why I'm actually quite bullish on it, and then we're also going to be doing a price prediction towards the end of the video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Anyways guys, let's hop in to the future of AAVE finance. So first of all, AAVE 101. AAVE is a DeFi platform that operates on the Ethereum blockchain and allows users to borrow or lend cryptocurrency. It functions without a bank or loan manager, relying instead on smart contracts to execute transactions automatically. Funds are deposited into a liquidity pool, which is used to provide loans to borrowers. Transactions occur quickly, but also follow the rules of the code strictly, with assets being liquidated if the borrower defaults on their loan. AAVE operates as a decentralized, non-custodial lending platform, meaning that users have full control over their funds and do not need to rely on a centralized intermediary to manage their asset. This is achieved through smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts that enforce the platform's rules and ensure that all transactions are proceeded securely and automatically. So let's talk about the current state of AAVE protocol. With 3 developments of AAVE existing on several chains, including Avalanche, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, Phantom, Harmony, and Ethereum, AAVE's TVL sits at around $4.88 billion per data from DeFi Llama. With increased sums sent to AAVE smart contracts since the year it began, its TVL has actually rallied per data from DeFi Llama, and to where it's at right now at around 4.88 billion at this time of this recording, AAVE's TVL has grown by at least around 28% on a year-to-date basis. So of its 3 developments, AAVE V2 has seen the most growth in TVL since the start of the trading year. Currently at $4.15 billion, the TVL on V2 has increased by over 25% since the year began. AAVE V3 has seen a 21% growth in TVL, while V1 has logged just a 0.01% decline in TVL since the year began. According to token terminal data, AAVE's daily revenue has climbed steadily in the last month. AAVE generates revenue by charging interest on loans and collecting fees for certain services provided by the platform. In the 30 days, AAVE's daily revenue has gone up by over 2,000%. So what else is going on the AAVE ecosystem? Well, we have to talk about the Lens protocol. AAVE is a platform that offers more than just lending services. In February of 2022, it launched Lens protocol, a decentralized social network protocol that runs on the Polygon network. The founder of AAVE, Stany Kulichov, has described Lens as a tool that allows anyone to create a non-custodial social media profile and develop new social media applications. The Lens protocol is a Web3 social graph built on the Polygon blockchain. It aims to give creators control over the links between themselves and their community, creating a fully composable and user-owned social graph. Furthermore, the protocol is designed with modularity in mind, allowing for adding new features and fixes without affecting user-owned content and social relationships. Compared to existing social networks, the Lens protocol aims to solve major issues such as lack of portability and data ownership. For example, Web2 networks have centralized databases, meaning profiles, friends, and content are locked to a specific network and owned by the network operator. This causes competition between networks for user attention. The Lens protocol aims to provide a solution to this by being a user-owned and open social graph that any application can use. Users own their own data, so they can bring it to any other application built on top of the Lens protocol. This empowers creators to control their content and audience and eliminates the risk of losing their content, audience, and livelihood based on a platform's algorithms and also policies. So what's to come? Well, in August of 2022, the AAVE community approved a proposal to launch Go, or GHL, a yield-generating stablecoin that is backed by cryptocurrency. The stablecoin will be launched on the AAVE protocol and will be created by users who supply collateral. Go will be backed by a diverse set of crypto assets chosen by the user, and all interest payments accrued by Go minters will be directly sent to the AAVE DAO treasury. In addition, Go will be introduced with a discount strategy mechanism that allows STK AAVE holders to receive a discount on the Go borrow rate. The initial implementation of Go will include a Sheets page where users can play around with different interests and also discount rate models. Go will be generated by facilitators that AAVE governance approves. The first facilitator will be the AAVE protocol, specifically the AAVE market on Ethereum. AAVE V3 and Go will be integrated using isolation mode, which allows users to generate Go with a broad range of assets while keeping them collateralized and also reducing risk. E-mode acts as a stabilizing factor in market volatility, and Portal will provide a path to scale Go across networks. The initial implementation of Go does not include portals, but this option will be considered in the future. Go is a stablecoin that is fully backed and native to the AAVE protocol. Its decentralization and multi-collateral design make it an attractive option for stablecoin users, and its integration with AAVE v3 and its discount strategy mechanism offers additional benefits. The introduction of Go will make stablecoin borrowing on the AAVE protocol more competitive and also provide more optionality for stablecoin users and generate additional revenue for the AAVE DAO. Go is expected to generate more revenue by AAVE by making stablecoin borrowing rates more competitive, attracting more users, and increasing overall borrowing activity on the AAVE protocol, offering additional benefits such as a discount strategy mechanism for STK AAVE holders and the ability to be backed by a diverse set of crypto assets. Directly sending all interest payments accrued by Go minters to the AAVE DAO treasury, providing a new source of income for the AAVE DAO. Overall, Go is designed to increase the appeal of stablecoin borrowing on the AAVE protocol and provide new revenue streams for the AAVE DAO. So let's go into some of the charts and just take a look at where the price point currently stands. So currently it's sitting at around $86, and it's actually kind of had a rally really in the past 7 days. It's gone up quite a lot, going from a low of $74 to where it's at currently at 86. And in the past month, it's kind of been mostly just like a crab, just going back and forth here. But in the past 3 months, it has definitely gone up a lot from a low of around $51. Now currently, there's actually only 88% that are currently circulating, with a total supply of 16 million. So really not a lot. And currently it's ranked at the 47th position when we're taking a look at the total market cap at around $1.2 billion. Now, when we're taking a look at the price prediction and comparing it to other market caps, if, for example, it had a market cap of $1.5 billion at Phantoms, that would put the potential price to $108 or an upside of 26%. Moving along here, if it was that of ICP right now at $2.2 billion, that would put the potential price to around $153 or an upside of 78%. Moving along even further here, if it was that of, for example, Solana at $8.7 billion, that would put the potential price to $607. So just taking a look at the chart, we can really see that the all-time high really peaked back in May of 2021 at around $594. So which market cap would that be at this current price point? Well, it'd be really right around Polkadot's right now. So at an $8.7 billion at around the $600 price point, or an upside of 604%. Moving even further, if it was that of, for example, BNB's at $49.2 billion, that would put the potential price to $3,000 or an upside of 39x. Now, I'm quite bullish on the future of AAVE, and I think that this Go stablecoin will definitely provide a lot more revenue to the entire ecosystem. Okay, so taking a look at another chart here with the price in green and the development activity in purple, we can see here that really since that all-time high peak, there has been a growth in development activity since, even with the declining price point. So I think this is also a strong indicator that the team is still prevalent and they're still developing even when the price is decreasing. So this is also a really good sign. So I definitely think that, if the Go stablecoin fails, then that's where we're going to see definitely a hard capitulation of AAVE. But if it doesn't, and it's actually working, then I think, of course, that'll definitely be a bullish thing for AAVE and the future of AAVE. Let me know what you guys have to think in the comments down below. Anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one.